Hello everyone and welcome to a new trading day. I'm John Anderson. Thank you for joining me at Profitable Day Trading. We're going to trade the Nasdaq future. It's now 8:26 a.m., 4 minutes left until the market opens. Before continuing, I want to introduce you to Mr. Strategy.
Hello everyone. Today is December 19th, 2022. Let's see what the market is doing. Remember, you don't have to do anything until the market opens. Be patient and wait.
Well, let's wait until the market opens.
The market is open.
Well, now the market is open. What should I do?
You have to wait until the market defines its direction.
Okay, perfect. Let's wait.
Be aware, if the market reaches that level you have to get prepared to enter the market in the short position.
I'm only preparing the orders, nothing else.
Wait for the market to have a correction.
Okay. I'm going to zoom in to see the bars with more detail.
Wait for the market to have a correction. Now it's time to prepare the order.
Great, I'm prepared.
You have to enter here, and your stop goes here.
Thanks, Mr. Strategy, I'm watching out.
Cancel the order, it is not yet time to enter.
Fine, orders cancelled.
You have to wait until the market defines its direction.
Okay, perfect. Let's wait.
Be aware, if the market reaches that level you have to get prepared to enter the market in the short position.
I'm only preparing the orders, nothing else.
Wait for the market to have a correction.
Thanks, Mr. Strategy, I'm watching out.
You have to enter here, and your stop goes here.
Great, I'm prepared.
Now you're in, let your profit run. Don't worry, no matter what happens you have the stop loss set.
Fantastic. Oh my gosh.
Don't panic, just have faith.
Okay.
Yes, it's a loss. But don't complain and don't lose faith in the strategy. Keep working. Remember that the key to success in trading is to cut your losses and let your profits run. Don't lose faith in me. You're doing great.
Well, I have faith in you.
Finished, cancel all open orders, we are done for today. Well, since the market was a bit complicated, I'm going to tell you a joke to cheer you up. Why did the robot fall in love with the magnet? He couldn't resist the magnetic attraction. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. We're done for today. Let's check the profit chart. Well, since today we lost a -1, the chart has gone down a little bit. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Well, that's it. See you tomorrow and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hit the bell button so you never miss any video.